Hello everyone, welcome to Caster Squad. So today I will show you how you can apply for Germany Government Scholarship for 2022. So before I start my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. Let's start the video. Page of German Academic Exchange Service. So I will give the link in the description box, then you can apply easily. So if you scroll down, here you see overview, application requirements, application procedure, then contact and consulting. So first check overview. Who can apply? Graduates with at least 2 years professional experience from the following countries. So you can check the list of eligible countries by clicking here. What can be funded? Individual scholarship exclusively for postgraduate course in Germany that are listed on the list of all postgraduate courses with application deadline. So these are the subjects and institute, language, degree, then duration without German language course. And here are application deadlines for intake 2021-22, DAT scholarship and self-financing. So you can check the dates of each subject from here and then apply according to your subject date. Then next is duration of the funding, 12 to 36 months depending on study program, 1 to 3 year funding. Then value depending on academic level, monthly payment of €850 for graduates or €1200 for doctoral candidates. Payment toward health, accident and personal liability insurance cover. Travel allowance unless these expenses are covered by the home country or another source of funding. Monthly rent subsidy, monthly allowance for accompanying members of family. So in selection, candidates fulfill the necessary academic requirements and can be expected to successfully complete a study program in Germany. Candidates have a bachelor degree in an appropriate subject. Candidates have at least 2 year professional experience. Candidate can prove their motivation is development related and be expected to take on social responsibility and initiate and support process of change in their personal and professional environment after their training and scholarship. If you want to check further information, then you can click here and check the further information. Next is application requirements. Click on this. So what requirements must be met? The typical scholarship holder work either for public authority or a state or private company in a developing country and as such is engaged in the planning and execution of directive and project with emphasis on development policies having a bearing on technological, economic or social areas, hold bachelor degree in a related subject, has completed an academic degree with far above average results, then her academic degree should normally not be more than 6 years old. Applicants who have been resident in Germany for longer than 15 months at the application deadline cannot be considered language skills. So, for study courses in German, scholarship includes a preparatory 6-month German language course in Germany, successful passing of the language examination DSH2 or test DAF4 before the start of the study course, and in free courses in English, IELTS Band 6 certificate or TOEFL minimum score 550 paper based, 213 computer based, 80 internet based, and in notes some courses may expect a different level. For detailed information, see the relevant course description on the following pages. So next, go to application procedure. First is application documents. Applications have only to be sent to the respective course directly. Please refer to the respective website for the application procedure, for the application deadline and the documents to be submitted. Applications sent to the DAD will not be forwarded to the respective course or university. You can apply for up to 3 courses. If applying to more than one course, please list courses in order of priority in the DAD application forms. Then application documents, required documents in the following order. First is signed DAD application form with current date. Personally signed CV. Please use the sample Europass form at this link with current date. Personally signed letter of motivation. Then letter of recommendation from your current employer. And certificate of employment from the employer that proof of a minimum of 2 years of relevant working experience after the bachelor degree at the time of application, and if possible a guarantee of re-employment from your current employer upon returning home. The next is proof of language skills. In English, IELTS or TOEFL, and in German required for courses taught in German. Next is copies of academic degrees, certified translation if necessary, copies of academic transcripts, and applicants from the People's Republic of China are asked to submit an APS certificate with their application documents. The complete application have to be submitted in English or German to be considered. Incomplete application cannot be considered. If applying to more than one course, please list courses in order of priority in the DAD application form and do not change these priorities in the respective application. So, application deadline depending on chosen study program, please check scholarship brochure or the website of your chosen study program. Application location, apply directly to the chosen study program. Application and selection procedure depend on 4 steps. First step is you send your complete application directly to the according postgraduate course. Then second step is a selection committee suggests potential candidate for a DAD scholarship. Third is the suggested candidate will be contacted by DAD to upload their complete application to the DAD portal. Then step 4 is the selection process will be finalized and the suggested candidate will be informed accordingly. Then make sure that you have a copy of each document of your application ready, and those documents as PDF files have to be uploaded to the DAD portal in case you are suggested for a DAD scholarship. So first step is you send your complete application. So first click here, sign DAD application form with current date. Click. So this is the application for research grants and study scholarships. First you have to write your name, then nationality, and from here you can select any one option. Research grant for doctoral candidate and young academics and scientists. Research grant for doctoral candidate within the sandwich model. Study scholarship for a postgraduate course with relevance to developing countries. Study scholarship for graduate. Study scholarship for artists, and other programs. Please specify program title. Then scroll down. First is attach your photo. Please do not staple. And here write your surname, first name, select your gender, academic title, date of birth, place of birth, country of birth. Then you are married, single. If married, then number of children, country of permanent residence. So here fill your mailing address where you may be contacted at any time until taking up a possible scholarship. Third is secondary school education. Fill this according to your secondary school education, and here fill the information of your higher education, university or other degree awarding institute. Fifth is degrees held. Sixth is duration of planned stay in Germany. Scholarship period applied for. write the date from to day, month, year. Next, again write your name. And 7 is choice of host university, institute in Germany. Please give priorities if any. So you write here 3 names of your chosen university according to your priority. Have contacts been made? No, yes. 8 is chosen field of study specialization at German host university or institution. 9 is do you intend to obtain a degree? No, yes. Namely, if so, at the German host university institution. Check this, or no, but write this. So 10th is study research projects in Germany. If you have. 11 is which academic referees have submitted a report for this application. 12th is language skills. 13 is have you received a DAAD scholarship in the past? Yes or no. Have you been sponsored by another institute? Yes or no. Are you applying under another DAAD program for the same period of time? Yes or no. Are you currently applying to other institute? If yes, what decision have you received? Then next, again write your name, and in 14, here write previous visit abroad for study or work of at least 1 month. And in 15, please give complete information of your work experience during or after higher education. 16 is will you be granted leave of absence for your stay in Germany? Yes or no. If so, will leave be period. 17 is what professional career do you? 18 what are your extracurricular interests? 20 is name and address of person to be notified in case of emergency. So fill the information of your closed person. Fill place, date, and here signature. After filling these all informations, send this form to this email address. So when you send your application, then after sending your application, a selection committee suggests potential candidate for a DAAD scholarship. Then further procedure will be held. If you want to contact and consult, then click here, and from here you can see the contact information. So guys, if you have any question, then ask me in comment section. I will be happy to answer all your queries. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. See you in another interesting and informative video. Take care. Bye bye.